I thought, what is just the coolest, most amazing prompt I can come up with that will solve teachers' problems? And what I came up with was, now it's over 500 words, but initially it was 447 words. And it was designed based around this game that I had invented with my students back when I was teaching social studies. We invented this game called Global Challenge. The idea was to learn the contents of an entire world history textbook, all 800 pages, in the form of a game. But in order to do that, you need game questions. So the prompt was, and I'm not going to read the whole thing now because it would take too long, but it was,
yes.
In the role, you're this omniscient author, master of all content related to world history, current events, high school curriculum. So I gave it a role, that meta prompt. And then I got into, you're going to design 20 questions, 7 categories, 6 different levels of learning to cover the span of recorded